Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yeah, for those who don't know me, my name is Jen, and today I have something sweet. Yeah, today I'm going to play myself, and I'm going to plant not afro. I'm going to plant butterfly locks, and the funny part is that I'm not going to use afro twist. I'm going to use my used piece. Yeah, so the reason why I'm using my used piece is to achieve the curls. That's why. And the second thing is saving money. Huku nje ni kubaya. Saving money. Yeah, so I have washed my hair and I have some matutas, 4 matutas. I'm going to remove them, then I'll be back after removing them. So stay tuned. So guys, I'm back. I've removed the matutas. Now I'm going to comb it. So guys, I've just finished combing my hair. Now I'm going to braid it. I'm going to braid it into small sections so that it will be more cuter. Yeah, so I will braid it off camera because it is a process. Yeah, so I will braid till half of my head, then after that I'll come show you, then go. So guys, I have braided this part, so I'm going to show you how I have achieved these things. So just stay tuned and see. So guys, I'm back again after a long. Yeah, let me not lie to you people. Said I was really tired. Even I didn't finish. I left with 3. Yeah, so like I was really tired. I was unable to continue. My body needed a rest. So I took a rest. Now I'm fresh. I'm going to show you how I did this. Yeah, at first it started to backfire, but I had to do it. I had to do it for you people. So I motivated myself. Then I continued. So I'm going to show you how I have achieved all of these. Yeah. So let me show you first how my piece looks like. Okay, this is how they look like. Okay, I didn't use afro twist to do these things. I used piece, and it has come out this way. So that means you doesn't need everything to do what you want. The small things or the less things you have, you can achieve more things with that. So let me show you how I've done it. So I'm going to crochet this piece. Yeah, okay, let me bring the camera close. So now I'm going to crochet the piece. So you have a longer side and a shorter side. So this the shorter size is the one that I'm going to measure how long I want it to be. So I had to do a voiceover because the noise at the background was super distractive. Yeah. So note that at the top it was tight. Then as I go down, I loosened up. Yeah, and this is how I achieved the butterflies. I placed my finger, then after piece coming over it, I removed it. So that's how I achieved the butterflies. When I reach at the bottom and there is a left piece, I had to go back with it again. Yeah. So guys, if you didn't understand the first part, okay, first I'm going to crochet. What I did first is crocheting the piece. Yeah, after crocheting, the short part is supposed to measure the length you want it to be. Yeah, then note that at the bottom it was tight, and while moving I loosened up. Then this is how I achieved the butterflies. I placed my finger, then after piece coming over it, I removed it. Yeah, so that's how I achieved the butterflies. Simple as that. And don't forget, when you reach at the bottom and there is a left piece, I had to go back with it again. So guys, this is the last look. Yeah, the last look. I've tried my best to achieve this look. Yeah, and if I can do it, you can do it. Though it was hard, but I have managed it. Look at that girl. Look at that girl. Oh, I feel good. I don't know why, but I feel I just. Oh. So guys, you can even style it like this. It is still good. Like you can do anything with your hair.